In today's show, I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 reasons why the Bitcoin and crypto markets are surging right now. We just seen the crypto markets pump over $20 billion, its largest increase in the past 3 months. What's going on, and could this be the start of an alt season? We're going to be breaking this down in today's show. Also in today's show, Bitcoin SV prices soar after Wright claims access to a Bitcoin fortune. We're going to be breaking this down. Is this going to last, or could we expect Bitcoin SV to crash? Find out in today's show. Also in other crypto news, Peter Schiff's Bitcoin $1,000 prediction falls flat as gold drops 4%. Also, we're going to be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market and doing a Bitcoin price action. All this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, click that link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right in with the 3 reasons why the Bitcoin and crypto markets are surging today. Bitcoin and the crypto markets have surged by their largest amount for almost 3 months today, and altcoins are leading the momentum. Over $20 billion has flooded back into the space, but what has caused the big bull run, and has alt season finally begun? Let's break it down. Total Bitcoin and crypto market cap has not been this high since mid-November when the bears were in full attack mode. So far this year's total cap has gained 27% and today topped out at $244 billion, a new high for 2020. Bitcoin momentum, baby. Bitcoin has no doubt played a big role in the movement of the rest of the crypto market. So far this year, the king of crypto has been making and holding solid gains, mostly driven by geopolitical tensions. Today, let's check out the Bitcoin price. We're currently trading at $8,732, up 2.29%. Satoshi Vision is up a whopping 60, almost 4%. We're going to be breaking this specific story down on why it's pumping so hard right now. Bitcoin Cash is pumping almost 20%, trading at $341. Ethereum is up 9%, trading at $166. EOS is up 15%, trading at $3.82. Miss Litecoin is up 8%, trading at $58. BNB Coin up 14%, trading at $17. Link is up almost 10%, trading at $2.46. Even XRP, you name it. Most the major cryptos are pumping right now as all that money flooded into the market. This massive movement in altcoins today has dropped the Bitcoin dominance back to 67%, according to TradingView.com. However, it cannot be denied that the halving momentum and general BTC hopium over the past couple of weeks has lifted the industry as a whole. Now let's get into the Faketoshi FOMO. Today's massive moves are being dominated by the 2 Bitcoin hard forks. Bitcoin Cash has cranked almost 28% in a huge move from $280 to top out over $360. However, that did not stop it from getting flipped by its little brother. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Taking a look here at CoinMarketCap, you can see Bitcoin SV just flipped on Bitcoin Cash and is now the number 4 largest cryptocurrency in the world. Faketoshi FOMO appears to be driving momentum for altcoins today. Following another development in the Wright court case, BSV has surged an epic 130% today as it tops out over $400 and claims the 4th spot in terms of the market cap. Rumors have circulated that the private keys to a multi-million-dollar Bitcoin Tulip Trust have been found. This has resulted in a wave of hysteria as the notion of Wright holding the keys and liquidating as much as 500,000 Bitcoin could send BSV to the moon. Checking out this tweet he wrote. So according to this, Craig's courier arrived and he has the keys to the Bitcoin that are locked up. New target price for BSV, $8,700. Laughing my ass off emoji. What are your thoughts? Drop me a comment right down below. We're going to get deep into the story about Wright here in a moment. So the altcoins experienced a 2-year bear market. Crazy, right? It was only a matter of time before altcoins emerged from what has been a 2-year bear market. Most of them are still buried under the crypto winter ice despite today's bullish moves. Once the key resistance levels are topped, trading orders get triggered and a wave of buying sends them all higher. This appears to be what has happened with most of the altcoins over the past few hours. While these moves have been impressive, there's still a long way to go before any of the top altcoins can be considered back in bullish territory. All right, now let's talk about Craig Wright and Bitcoin SV prices soaring and going crazy. Craig Wright, the polarizing figure who may or may not be Satoshi Nakamoto, is today telling the court that he has received the keys to access to an $8.9 billion crypto fortune trust called the Tulip Trust. Some background on what that means: Wright was a business partner to David Kleinman, and they mined a lot of Bitcoin together back when that was easier thing to do. The pair ended up with 1.1 million Bitcoin in their custody. Holy moly. And that stash is known as the Tulip Trust in reference to the tulip bubble that took the Netherlands by storm in the 17th century. Kleinman passed away in 2013, and the law is clear that half of the business assets should go to Kleinman's estate, but this never happened. So Kleinman's surviving brother is suing Craig Wright for the estate share. This is a complicated and contentious court case. A 2015 investigation pointed to Wright and Kleinman as the possible inventors of Bitcoin, and reporters surfaced a draft of a contract that described the existence of the trust and effective grants of all it to Wright. This moved David Kleinman's brother Ira to launch the suit in February of 2018. It was a long and drawn out process for the legal system to identify where Wright was storing his crypto assets, and Wright was ultimately found in contempt of court last year for failing to supply a list of any BTC holdings he acquired before December 31st, 2013. Wright then received a court order on January 10th of 2020 calling for him to effectively open the kimono on the Tulip Trust. He was granted until February 3rd, 2020 to provide the keys to the Tulip Trust on the rationale that the keys needed to be delivered by a bonded carrier sometime in January. Well, it appears the keys have finally arrived. Wright has now flipped paperwork demonstrating his compliance with the court order. Dr. Wright notifies the court that a third party has provided the necessary info and key slice to unlock the encrypted file, and Dr. Wright has produced a list of his Bitcoin holdings as ordered by the magistrate judge on the plaintiffs today. This is a bombshell among bombshells if it's actually true, and I'll stop right there. If it's actually true. It could easily help Wright continue his I'm Satoshi shtick and win some converts. If it's less than totally true, it would only be the latest weird reality-bending twist in Wright's already surreal and controversial story. In any case, that's what Wright told courts today. He now has access to billions in crypto. So, Bitcoin SV soars on the news. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, a Wright-led fork of Bitcoin Cash that purports to closely adhere to the anonymous Bitcoin creator's true ideas about the crypto, surged today. The crypto opened the day trading at $193 and rose as high as $447 and is currently trading at $385. And in other crypto news, Peter Schiff's Bitcoin $1,000 prediction, epic fail, flat as gold drops 4%. Take that, Peter Schiff. After reaching highs of $1,610 on January 8th, gold has fallen dramatically, trading at $1,546. The trend is all the more conspicuous to crypto supporters, coming at the time when geopolitical upheaval centered on Iran seemed to buoy Bitcoin price performance. While not everyone agrees, a commonly held theory suggests that both Bitcoin and gold benefit from such political instability. Their correlation, as Cointelegraph previously noted, now looks much less convincing. For a time being, it appears on the daily candle chart that a retracement down should occur due to the metal being overbought. Kitco quoted analyst at Swiss-based trader Duxcopy and saying Monday they added that gold could drop further to support at 1,500 in the short term. So Schiff's BTC pattern nowhere in sight. Hallelujah. This guy. The underwhelming progress for gold piles added pressure on those who privileged the precious metal over Bitcoin. Schiff, a well-known crypto detractor, and hater, said in November that Bitcoin was exhibiting a so-called head and shoulders price pattern and would soon drop to $1,000, its lowest since early 2017. I hope you're holding your breath, Peter Schiff. Here's what he said. The right shoulder is now shrugged and the neckline slanted and parallel to the shoulders. If it breaks the price objective for the dump is $1,000 to complete the pattern, he claimed on November 21st when the pair traded at around $7,800. Not only has the omen not come true, but it is Bitcoin which has already firmly beaten gold as an investment opportunity just 2 weeks into the new year. Just days before 2020 began, Schiff had complained that Bitcoin was the only asset not rallying. So take that, Peter Schiff. What's good? The current cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at $241 billion with 176 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. That's the highest we've seen it in literally about 3 months. And the current Bitcoin dominance is 65.9%. And taking a look at the top gainers in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin Gold leading the pack. Go Bitcoin Gold, up 80%, trading at $14.72. Bitcoin SV up 69%, trading at $361. Bitcoin Diamond up 66%, trading at 72 cents. Dash is up 44%, trading at $118. Ethereum Classic is up 27%, trading at $7.41. Hypercash up 26%, trading at $1.58. And Zcoin up 22%, trading at $5.52. And taking a look at the top losers, MadeSafe Coin down 14%, trading at 8.7 cents. ABBC Coin down 8%, trading at 10.5 cents. Nexo down 3%, trading at 10 cents. V Systems down 3%, trading at 3 cents. Energy down 2%, trading at $1.78. Seal down 1%, trading at 13 cents. And iExec RLC down 1%, trading at 48 cents. So taking a look at the biggest losers, not too bad. That's because the market is pumping. I mean, there's only a few that are even negative and in the red. And when we look at all the ones gaining, I mean, take a look from 80% and scrolling all the way down, we still got 12% gains, 11% gains, 10% gains. This, my friend, is the season of cryptos. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are dominating, in control right now, and it's climbing so fast I don't even know where to begin. But let's just say longs are leading with about 78 million in superiority with 50.79% versus 49.21% shorts. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, we're currently rated a 54 in neutral. Yesterday, we were rated a 56 in greed, which I haven't seen in a really long time, so about time. And last week, rated a 44 in fear, and last month, a 21 in extreme fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this crypto Bitcoin rocket ship heading straight to the moon. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, click that link right below the video in the description. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.